discussing the requirements for cells and tissues as starting materials, we need to make a distinction between the two regions' regulatory frameworks. So, in the US, compliance with 21 CFR 1271 subpart C is mandatory. So this regulation outlines the standards regarding the donor eligibility, donation process, and the donor testing of cells and tissues, as well as cell and tissue-based products. So these standards ensure the quality and safety of the starting materials before they are used in therapy development. In the EU, a shift in regulation is approaching. The Cell and Tissue Directive from 2004 and the Blood Directive from 2002 are being replaced by the Substances of Human Origin Regulation, or the SOHO regulation, that was adopted last year. However, this regulation will be applicable from August 2027. This regulation is set to harmonize standards between member states of the European Union. So in the meantime, during the transition period, both directives as well as their implementation directives are enforced to allow for smooth transition. If cells are procured outside of the EU, good manufacturing practices for ATMPs is applicable. This ensures that cells and tissues that are sourced outside of the EU meet equivalent quality and safety requirements.